Hi folks! Do you develop in the field of autonomous driving or advanced driver assistance systems? Then you know, the driver must be able to rely on the safety of the intended functionality. In short, SOTIF. This includes the capability of sensors, control units and actuators. In this 2-day SOTIF training, we will explain to you how you can stay on the safe side, even with complex development projects. You will learn about analysis methods to assess risks and to prevent risks in advance, and how to improve, verify and validate your system. In order to be able to use this knowledge directly for your projects, you experience the application of these methods based on examples and exercises on an intensive practice day. Do you want to stay on the safe side? Then this SOTIF training course from Kugler Mark & Company is just right for you.